This tutorial will explain how to scan your students' answer keys into Elluminate once they have completed the assessment. Again, just like in printing the answer sheets, the most efficient way to scan in the answer sheets into Elluminate is to have a data coach or an administrator scan them in. To start, you will notice I am at the dashboard of my account, and up in the top left-hand corner you will notice the 4 buttons again. We would like to click on Assessments and then List Assessments. Just like before, we want to get in the habit of always clicking the clear button. And then we are going to type in SAT and click Search. The 24 assessments associated with SAT will appear, and you will want to click on the specific assessment that you are wanting to scan in answer sheets for. Make sure to look at not only what the first part of the test name is, but also the second, so you know that you are scanning for the correct section. If you are not sure of what assessment your answer sheets are for, look under the student name on an answer sheet, and it will tell you the exact name of the assessment you should be in. Once you know the assessment you want, click on it. For this tutorial, I'm going to click on PSAT NMSQT Practice Test Number 1, Math with No Calculator. This box will appear and you will need to click on Scan. If for some reason you accidentally click off of this box or it is not there, you can always go up to the Administration tab and click Scan from there. After we click Scan, this screen appears. As long as you have a camera on your computer that is enabled, you can just click on Continue Without. If your camera is how it should be, you should now be looking at yourself just as you are looking at me in this screencast. Now, the assessment that I am about to scan is the PSAT NMSQT Practice Test Number 1, Math with No Calculator. Remember, this is the test that teachers have to manually grade the last 4 sections before they can scan the students' answer sheets. So right now I have the students' original answer sheet as well as their half sheet answer sheet. So I as a teacher have to look at the last 4 questions, which are on this half sheet of paper, and determine if they are right. If they are correct, on my student's answer sheet, on these bubbles, I would bubble in a 1. If they are incorrect, I would bubble in an X. Once that is done, I simply have to hold up, I'm going to bubble in my sheet right now. I simply have to hold up the student's answer sheet, and a green box will appear, and you will see that this particular student's answer sheet is now graded. I will do a few more here for you to see. Once you have scanned all of your students' answer sheets, you need to click Save and View Results. This basically saves all of your answer sheets in there, and it will just give you a quick overview of things. But then if you want more detailed reports on how your students did, you can click Reports. And from there are pre-built reports that you can look at. If you don't know what these reports specifically mean, you can either click on the little I next to them or click right here, Where do I start, for teachers, and it will give you an overview of what each report does. Just a reminder, the 2 math sections are the only 2 sections where a teacher needs to manually grade anything and bubble in a 1 or an X on the student's answer sheet. The reading and writing portions of the sections will fully be graded by Elluminate. This concludes the tutorial on how to scan in answer sheets into Elluminate.